Hey, COM 3600 students, this is a short video that will show you how to create the discussion leader discussion thread which is useful to you for the week that you're assigned to be a discussion leader. So here I am in our COM 3600 course, and let's say I am assigned to be the discussion leader in Module 1. So I click into Module 1 and scroll down to Module 1 assignments, and then I'm just going to click into the Module 1 discussion board as usual. Now typically for most classes, once you click into the Module 1 discussion board, the prompt is already there. But since you're the discussion leader, you are developing the discussion prompt. So what you need to do is click Create Thread, and then what you should do is type what week this is, and then go ahead and identify what topic you're going to be writing about. So if you're really interested in week 1 in some kind of systems theory concept and you want to write about that, then you need to kind of summarize what that is. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll just call it topic A. And then what you want to do is write your prompt, and the assignment explanation articulates what the expectations are for the discussion leader prompt. That assignment explanation and rubric tells you how long it needs to be, that you have to incorporate the textbook, that you need to have questions or have some kind of content that invites conversation from your classmates and so on. So you can pre-write your discussion prompt using Microsoft Word, and that way you would be able to spell check and things like that. For the sake of this video, again, I'm just going to kind of cheat and go quickly so that you can kind of see what it should be. So this week in the reading, I found topic A interesting. So I tell the reader in my front-loaded first sentence what this prompt, this discussion post is about, and then I take some time to explain why I found it interesting, or why I found it challenging, or why I disagreed with it, or why I see it at work in my workplace. And so whatever the reason that you're writing about this topic, go ahead and write about it. And it's probably smart to incorporate the textbook, since that's a requirement. So you would cite Modaff, Butler, and DeWine, including the year that the book is published or copyright, and you include a quote and the page number. So of course be practicing APA style. It's important that you are citing an effective APA, and this is an example of accurate APA. And then once you've kind of explained what's going on in your head or why you think something is interesting or challenging, then you probably want to include some prompts to your classmates. So, and you want to be specific. So you can't say, what do you think about topic A? That's really general, what people think about a topic. Instead, say, what do you think about topic A's impact on open communication between manager and subordinates? Or you could say, describe 4 ways that you see topic A playing out in your workplace. So, excuse my alert there. So maybe 1 or 2 prompts. Just be mindful that it's not your job to create a ton of work for your classmates. Their weekly posts and your weekly post is supposed to be approximately, I think, 150 words. So you definitely don't want to tell them to detail the 10 ways topic A impacts our organizational workplace economy. I mean, that would be much too large of a question. So you need to think about the prompt in a way that, let me rephrase this. You want your prompts to be accomplishable by your classmates, but you still want it to be thought-provoking. So try to find some balance where the question is thought-provoking, but it's not an unreasonable amount of workload for those who will be participating in the discussion. So once you've written your original discussion leader post, all you have to do is click submit, and then your post will show up here for your classmates. And what's great is because you've put the topic right there in the thread, then the various discussion leaders, all of their threads will show up on Tuesday, and then classmates can go in and choose what topic they are most interested in discussing that week. So again, it's really helpful for you to go ahead and kind of summarize your topic in the title of your discussion thread. So discussion leaders, week 1, you'll kind of set the pace and everyone will kind of learn from what you're doing, but each student will learn how to be a discussion leader in various weeks, and so I hope that you find this video tutorial helpful. Of course, email your instructor if you have questions about how to accomplish this in terms of learning the system and using Blackboard and things like that. So good luck with effective and thought-provoking discussion board questions. Thanks.